Now we have the pins marked up, we're ready to pay attention to our horizontal post that's going to go across the top. So we've got two things we need to do to get this in the right shape and length to go in. One is the length. So we're going to measure from one basically pinhole to the other, from one post to the other across here to get the length, and it has to be pretty exact. So if we leave too much gap at any one end, then the posts are going to flex over while taking up the strain, and that's not ideal. But obviously if it's too long, it's not going to fit properly. So we're going to measure the length and cut the post to suit. And on some end assemblies, we're also going to have to worry about the angle. So this first one we're going to look at not so much. It's basically the horizontal pole and the two verticals make almost a perfect capital H shape. They're perpendicular to each other at 90-degree angles to each other, near enough. The other one over here, however, is on an angle. So the vertical post's going up, but the horizontal post is coming down at an angle. So what we're going to have to do is cut the faces of that horizontal pole to suit. Otherwise it's going to sit funny. But let's start with the horizontal. So the perfectly capital H shaped one. So first thing we need to do is measure the distance using a tape measure from the inside of one post to the inside of the other. Much easier if you've got two people, but otherwise you can extend it out. The quick trick for it to hold one end is to tuck the end of your tape measure into the string that you've got sitting up there, and then just pull the tape to the other end and fold it and get a fairly precise measure. And then we're going to transfer that measure down onto the post and cut accurately with the chainsaw to get it the right length.